Anu-Loma-Viloma Polarity Kriyas, as codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki in his Yoga Step by Step, Lesson 47. A group of pranayamas which are more than pranayamas and called Anu-Loma-Viloma and Anu-Loma-Viloma Kriyas are taught in both the Jnana Yoga and Raja Yoga schools. These Kriyas affect the basic polarity of the body, regulating the electrical flow in the nervous system and the ionization of cellular energy. In yoga, it is taught that by the use of these pranayama kriyas and prakriyas, deep relaxation can be produced, after which the higher kriyas of the Laya Yoga and the Kundalini arousing kriyas can be safely taught to qualified students. Anu-Loma-Viloma Kriya number 1. This Kriya is done from a relaxed supine and on your back position, the Shavasana. In order to benefit from this practice, we will perform 3 rounds of Dauti Pranayama, the Mukha Bhastrika, a cleansing breath. So take up a high heel sitting posture, Vajrasana facing north. Hands on your thighs, knees held together. We will take in a deep breath, puckering our mouth in the Kaki Mudra, blasting out the breath as we lower the torso and the head down to the floor in Dharmika Asana. We will repeat this for 3 times. Breathe out to exhale, then inhale fully. Inhale, lift your chin up, come back to Vajrasana. Inhale, one more time, lift your chin up. Stay in Dharmikasana. Let your nose be between your knees. Relax your shoulders, your mouth, your lips, your tongue. Feel where the forehead is touching the ground. And then reach out with your hands to touch the soles of your feet. Prepare yourself to be aware, mindful, and full of care for the Anu-Loma-Viloma Kriya. On your next inhale, lift your chin up, come up to Vajrasana. And from here, slowly make your way down to Shavasana. Lie down on your back in the supine position. For the corpse posture, have the head facing to the north to pick up the natural north-south flow of magnetic current. The hands and arms are by your torso, palms facing up, heels together, and relax. We will perform 9 rounds of Savitri Pranayama in the 8x4 count. Exhale to prepare. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in. Hold. Out. hold. In, hold, out, hold, 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 relax. Now imagine that a warm golden prana is flowing from above your head out the feet on the incoming breath. This pranic flow is allowed to completely move beyond the feet. On the outgoing breath, feel a cool, silvery, apanic flow enter the feet and flow back through the body and out the top of the head. As you breathe in, the golden prana flows from above your head and out the feet. On the out-breath, the cool, silvery apana flow enters the feet and flows back through the body and out the top of the head. Continue breathing rhythmically. Imagining the golden prana flowing from the top of the head through the body and out the feet as you inhale, and a cool silvery apana entering the feet, traveling through the body and exiting the top of the head. Prana breathing in, apana breathing out. Golden prana flowing in from above the head as you inhale, out the feet. Cool silvery apana flowing in through the feet and out your head as you breathe out. We'll take a couple more breaths in the Anu-Loma-Viloma Kriya n.1. Inhaling the golden prana from the top of the head, through the body, out your feet and beyond. And as you exhale, feeling the cool silvery apana entering the feet, traveling through the body, exiting from your head and beyond. As you stay fully relaxed, regulating your breath and enjoying this feeling of deep relaxation. Now slowly begin to move your toes and your fingers and stretch your beautiful body from this wonderful relaxation. Stretch the body in any way it feels right. Then turn over to the left side. On the left flank with your right flank dominant. You may do this if you want to come back to daily activities. From here, turn to Unmukhasana, face brown position, with your tummy on the floor. Bring your feet together, activate your buttocks, bring your hands to the side of your shoulders. And on an inhale, lift your torso gently in Bhujangasana, then Chatuspada, then Shashangasana, and stretch your upper limbs. On your next inhale, lift your chin up, come back to Vajrasana, and sit quietly for a few breaths. Observe the effects of the Anu-Loma-Viloma Kriya #1. Then bring your hands together in the Namaskara Mudra. We will invoke the Om once together to conclude this practice. Exhale to prepare. Inhale.